Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. Today is 1st of February 2020. Happy new month to everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming strategies. Today we'll be trading the volatility 10 synthetic 80s using the chart line. These are the rules for this strategy. These are the rules. This is a link to sign up for a free trading account. This is a link to our YouTube channels. This is the second channel. So all these infos will be pasted in the video decision on YouTube, so make sure you expand the video decision to read all these informations. This is the link to download the free trading timer. So let's get back to the trading. Don't forget to subscribe to the channels for more strategies. So let's get back to the trading. After signing up using the trading link, so make sure you use the webtrader to trade for you to be able to see all this interface. So let's open the trade volatility 10 index, and we'll push this right here. Then we'll open the chart as well. So I'm going to be changing this to tick. Then we'll move this very close for us to be able to see the line movements. We are working with this blue line, so we'll go for trade number 1. After setting this up, we click on touch, then we'll click on touch right here, then we'll change this tick to 10, then our barrier offset we change it to -0.12. I'll be setting my payout to $40. Actually I'm paying $29.39 while the profit is 10.61. So we'll be working with this blue line movement right here. Once the blue line goes up with speed and move down, you can see that is speed movement up there, and goes down with speed again. You can see it went down with speed, so I click on purchase there. You can see it has crossed the line already. So we'll go for trade number 2. It has to go right up with speed, then also move down with speed, not a sluggish movement. So you have to watch the blue line very carefully. So let's see what we start with before we go for trade. Okay, we start with 4477.53. so let's watch it. You can see it went right up. It has to go down with speed, and it has to be facing down. You can see it's facing down. It has to move down with speed before we click on purchase. That's a speed movement right there. You can see we won the second trade. We'll go for the third trade. Don't forget, it has to move down with speed. It has to go right up first, then come down with speed before we click on purchase. You can see it went up with speed. If it's going down, it has to go down with speed again. The movement is sluggish. It's going right up again. It's going down. It's going down. So the movement is so sluggish, so you have to wait. It went up with speed. Also the arrow must be pointing down. You can see it went down with speed right there. So we click on purchase. You can see it has crossed the line already. So we'll go for trade number 4. So you have to wait again for the line to go up and move down with speed, and it must be facing down before we click on purchase, and it must go down with speed. The movement must not be sluggish. Make sure you drag this thing very close for you to be able to see a fast movement, and make sure you change this to tick. The time interval has to be in tick. And see it went up with speed, so we have to wait again for it to go down. The movement is sluggish and zigzag, so we have to wait. this edge must face down. Even if it goes down with speed, the edge must face down. You can see the way it faces, just like an end sign. That's a V sign. This is an end sign. It has to face down. It has to go right down with speed. The movement is sluggish, so you have to wait. If the movement is sluggish, there is possibility that you will lose the trade. That's to go right down. That's to face down. That's to move the speed. The movement is a bit sluggish right there. Okay. 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 Okay, it crossed the line, but we have to wait. You can see we want that trade, but we have to wait for the movement to be fast before we click on purchase. That movement was sluggish. We shouldn't have clicked on purchase there, but we still want the trade. So we have to wait. The movement has to be fast. It must not be slow. It has to be fast when it's moving down. It has to move with speed so that I can cross the line as soon as possible. Okay, it's sluggish. You have to wait. I see that movement was so fast, but it was going up and down. So okay, that was fast. Okay, we lost that trade because it didn't go below it went at the middle level, but it's supposed to go down a bit. So let's go for our last trade. Let's go for the last trade. Okay, going up. Once it goes down towards this area, which you can purchase, it has to go right down. Just below the middle area. It has to move with speed. Okay, it's coming down. It's coming down. Okay, so it crossed the line there. So you can see we won 5 trades out of 6 trades. So let's see what we made. We start with 447 as we have 450 01 23.66. That's not much, but at least we made profit. So you can place up to 10 trades or more. You can continue. Because you have to watch the line very well. You have to watch it. You have to be smart when trading. This line has to move down with speed, and it has to go below the middle level before you click on purchase. Thanks for watching. Bye.